Hello, my dear students of class 6. Let's begin with this chapter number 3, Kali Wants to Dance. I know I have already started with you all, but still a revision from the very first. Those who have not attended the class, it's for them. So let's read the story. Kali Wants to Dance is about a boy who performs his dance and shows off his skills. Right. So being a boy, he was at the first neglected that how can a boy dance, but but we cannot discriminate a skill or an art. mm, uh, but it's a girl's thing, it's a boy's thing. You cannot do that. And so how being a boy in that old age century, how did he progress in his life? So the story is all about that. So it's story about Kali. How you ever wondered what a dancer's life must be like? Here's the story of Kali who overcame many challenges and danced his way to success. So ultimately how did he become a successful dancer? That we are going to see in this chapter. The struggling fishing village of Kovalam in Kerala, Kali Virapathiran is a hero. Not because he's an actor and not because he has fought off villains. He's a hero because he learned to dance. According to People's Archive of Rural India, Kali, at the age of 25, perhaps the only male dancer who has mastered the classical dance form Bharatnatyam. So, in Kovalam, Kerala, so he's the only male dancer at the age of 25. None means no other. He was the only one. Only male dancer who has mastered the classical dance of Bharatnatyam, as well as three ancient Tamil folk dance forms. So not only Bharatnatyam but also three other Tamil folk dance forms. Kali lost his father at a very young age. So when he was very young, his father had died. It was his mother, Illamali Virapathiran, a construction laborer, who worked doubly hard to raise him and his many siblings. It's the year 2000 and Kali is 8 years old. Like many boys, he goes to school, plays with his friends, watches TV. Unlike many boys, Kali also dances. So none of the boy dance, but Kali dances. Kali loves to watch Padmini dance on TV. She's a famous actor and fantastic dancer. He pretends to wear a salangi and dances Bharatnatyam. Kali wants to be just like her. So, at the age of 8, her idol was Padmini and Padmini dance and TV show. So, he used to learn by watching the TV. So, look at the tenacity of the boy. Look at the desire of the boy, that how he wants to learn something, and for that he's not going to any coaching classes or tuition classes. He's just learning it from the TV. So he's a very talented boy. So this is the song or the rhythm. I'm not reading it. Kali becomes such a good dancer that his teachers ask him to perform at school programs. So means slowly he is progressing in his life. The teacher likes his dance form, and the teacher says, "Okay, Kali, now perform in the school programs." Soon he is known as the little fish in the little fishing village as a Bharatnatyam dancer. So he was given a title as Bharatnatyam dancer. One day, Sara Chanda, who manages a hospital in Chennai, sees his perform on stage. So Sara Chanda, who was she? She was a manager, a hospital in Chennai. So she's astonished to see such a talented boy and is moved that he's gotten so far all by himself. So none have helped him. He has come to this stage of his life all by alone. So that is quite fantastic. Would you like to learn Bharatnatyam at the Kalakshetra? She asks him after the performance. So Sara Chanda comes after the performance, asks Kali that would you like to get yourself admitted in the Kalakshetra? So what is Kalakshetra? The Kalakshetra Foundation in Chennai was India's premier dance school. So it's kind of dance school, which is means of royal members. Kali loves at first dance. The Dalit community rarely had the opportunity to learn. So, another, we are getting back to history and the caste system. So, Dalit is the workers, okay, the lower caste. They were not allowed to get intermingled with what, with the means noble persons or the high caste. So here he laughs. Kali laughs and says, "I, being a lower caste, how can I get intermixed with all the high society people? So let alone master the art form of Bharatanatyam. Let me alone learn it." In Kali's family, there is never enough money to spare for dance classes. So they do not have much money to spare for the dance class. And who has heard of boys dancing for a living? And nobody in their society has heard means somebody is not doing a job and performing on stages and earning money by dance form. So that is also not it is also not hard. But Sara is serious. You must learn Bharatnatyam in a proper school, Kali, she says. I'll pay your fees. So Sara is ready to pay his fees in the Kalakshetra. Leela Samson, a renowned Bharatnatyam. So soon after, Sara arranges for Kali to visit Kalakshetra, where Leela Samson, a renowned Bharatnatyam dancer and the head of the school, tells Kali to perform for them. Kali ties a sari crookedly over his trousers, you can see it in the picture, and dances a film song. The teachers think he has the makings of a classical dancer. So the way he dances, okay, it makes others think that he's a very good means classical dancer. But it's not a simple choice for Kali. He can't decide what he wants to be when he grows up. So he's only 8, right? He's only 8 9. So it's a difficult time for him to choose any kind of ambition in his life. So what he wants to be, it is not rightly chosen by him. Should he be an actor, collector, a teacher, a biotechnologist, or a dancer? His friends and family aren't really of much help. So he was basically neglected by his family, his friends, and they did not like him. They did not like him dancing. Yeah, they refers to family and friends. They didn't like him dancing. Okay, so being a boy, you must work hard. You must toil in your life. But dancer, it's like a girl's thing. So they thought in that way. But how the thinking changes ultimately, we'll cover it up in the next class. Okay, thank you, and read the chapter, and I'll tell you the meanings at the very last. When I complete the chapter, I'll mark the meanings. Okay, have fun. Bye bye.